Okay, here with the lady that calls herself Trish Mac for short. Your thoughts? You came out there and you pulled off a position. You finished top 3. Your thoughts on your performance tonight?
Big up Jesus every single time. Believe God, and like this has been a journey. As a matter of fact, it is a testimony. God created an opportunity. I walked into the room and I am very grateful. I came 2nd place. Thank you, Jamaica, for voting. Thank you for all of the radio stations that interviewed and everybody that voted. Thank you to my family. I mean, we might not done tonight, but tell me when this stop, because I am just filled with joy, and I'm very happy that I managed to pull through.
Talk about the journey. Tell me about the journey.
I don't think I want to get too far into it, but let us just say I am recovering from something that could have killed me, but I am here and I am well, and I gave it my best shot, and I put that first and decided, say, whatever God said, that's it. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to push through it, and here I am. So that is the journey in a nutshell.
So Jamaica is now even more exposed to you. What next for you?
What next for me? I am a gospel minister. You understand me? Gospel music. I love gospel reggae, and I just want to go further with my music. Anywhere God take me, there I will go.